Hello, Advanced English Explearners. Welcome back. So happy to see you here. Are you ready to unlock a secret of the English language that can transform your communication skills? Today, in this lesson, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of English that often goes unnoticed, but holds the power to change the meaning of your sentences. We're talking about content words and function words and the magic of emphasis. In English, words are broadly divided into two categories. Those are content words and function words. So, content words are the main carriers of meaning in a sentence. They include nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, in the sentence, John quickly reads interesting books. John quickly reads, and books are content words. These words are the backbone of the sentence, providing the key information that the sentence is conveying. Let's delve deeper into content words with some more examples. In the sentence, the cat is sleeping on the mat. Cat, sleeping, and mat are content words. These words give us the main information. Who is doing the action? The cat. What is the action? Sleeping. And where is the action happening? On the mat. Similarly, in she is driving a fast car, she is driving a fast car, she, driving, fast, and car are the content words. They tell us who's doing the action, she, what is the action, driving, and what kind of object is involved? A fast car. On the other hand, function words are the glue that holds sentences together. They include prepositions, pronouns, auxiliary verbs, conjunctions, and articles. In our previous examples, the, is, on, a, are function words. These words might seem less important because they might not necessarily carry the meaning, but don't be fooled. They are crucial for the structure and coherence of a sentence. These are what make sentences grammatically correct. For instance, in the sentence, she is driving a fast car, if we remove the function words, we're left with she driving fast car, which is grammatically incorrect and also very confusing. The function words is and a are necessary to make the sentence grammatically correct and understandable. Now, let's talk about emphasis. Emphasis can significantly change the meaning of a sentence. For instance, John quickly reads the interesting books. John quickly reads interesting books implies that it's John, not someone else, who reads those books quickly. The emphasis on John makes him the focus of the sentence. If we say John quickly reads interesting books, it means that John reads the books at a fast pace. The emphasis on quickly highlights the speed of John's reading. He's a fast reader. In English, we tend to emphasize content words more than function words. This is because content words carry the main meaning, while function words are more about the grammatical structure. Emphasizing a content word draws attention to that part of the meaning. So now let's look at another example. She is walking to the park. Emphasizes the action of walking, indicating that the action is happening now. On the other hand, she is walking to the park, emphasizes the destination, indicating that the park is the specific place where she is going. In the sentence, they are eating at the new restaurant, the emphasis is on the action of eating. This could be used to contradict a previous statement, like if someone had said they weren't eating or if they were just drinking some coffee. But if we say they are eating at the new restaurant, the emphasis now shifts to the novelty of the restaurant. This could be used to express excitement about the new restaurant that just opened in the neighborhood. Now, let's consider how emphasis can be used to express different emotions or even attitudes. For example, she's driving the car could express surprise if someone didn't expect her to be the driver. Maybe they didn't know that she got her driver's license after so many years. The emphasis is on driving, which shows that this is the surprising or important part of the sentence. On the other hand, she is driving the car could express contrast, as in, it's she who is driving the car, not someone else. The emphasis on she shows that the surprising or important information is who is driving. So emphasis can also change the meaning in questions versus statements. For example, are you going to the party? Is a simple question asking about the person's plans. But are you going to the party? Might imply surprise or disbelief, as if the speaker can't believe that the person would go to that party. Now it's your turn to practice. Try emphasizing different words in a sentence and notice how the meaning changes. For example, take the sentence, I didn't say you stole the money. Depending on which word you emphasize, the meaning changes. I didn't say you stole the money could mean that I implied it, but I didn't say it. I didn't say you stole the money could mean that I said someone else stole the money, but not you. Of course not. And so on and so forth. This is a fun and useful exercise to improve your understanding of emphasis in English. So to sum up, understanding the difference between content words and function words and knowing how to use emphasis can greatly improve your English comprehension and expression. It's a subtle but very powerful tool in your language arsenal. The more you practice, the more natural it is going to become. But where can you practice these strategies, you ask? Well, we have the perfect place for you, the explearning Academy, our very own private global community where we bring together international professionals living in the US, living in Canada, living in their home countries to engage in conversation and cultural activities. This is the place where you can strengthen your communication skills in English and create meaningful connections with a diverse international community. So I hope to see you there. You can sign up at academy.explearning.co. Practice the strategies shared in this lesson and see the difference it makes in your own communication. Remember, language learning is not a destination, it's a journey. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to social fluency. So keep practicing, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English communication and language with us. That's it for me today, Advanced English Explearners. Thank you so much for joining me. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful lessons. And don't forget to join us at Explearning Academy to take your English communication and language learning to the next level. Stay curious, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of language learning because we are on the journey much longer than we are at the destination. All right, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy explearning and bye for now.